Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am walking along the beautiful seaside of Malta. The sound of the waves crashing against the rock is so peaceful. The water is crystal clear, sparkling under the warm Mediterranean sun. A gentle breeze fills the air, and the fresh ocean smell of the ocean makes this walk unforgettable. Along the coast, colourful boats float quietly, and charming houses paint a perfect backdrop. Malta feels so alive, yet so calming at the same time. Stay with me as I explore more hidden gems in this amazing island.